One ESP32 board, for 7 OLED displays. We are excited to introduce our latest ESP32-based display evaluation board, engineered to accelerate your display development from prototype to production. The board is a versatile evaluation kit built around the ESP32-P4. It is designed to drive the full range of Tailor Pixels AMOLED display lineup through a single, unified hardware platform. It is verified to work with 7 display models, covering a broad range of form factors. All displays feature vivid color, high brightness, and optional cover glass with optical bonding, ready for both prototyping and near-production evaluation. We have produced a hands-on product demonstration video that walks through all 7 displays lit up on the board. Contact us for the development and customization.
Tailor Pixels, display factory and supplier.